Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure you subscribe down below, leave a like, and slap that bell. Today we're going to be doing fitting yourself into this index card. Alright, hold on, let me guys. Yeah. I'm fitting myself through this index card. It's going to be pretty easy. I just have to redo this because I messed up. Alright, guys, what you want to do is get an index card. I just found it in my drawer. That's why it's bent. Alright. Well, we're going to be using it. Alright, first, you're going to want an index card. Next, you're going to want to fold it long ways, like this. Like this, guys. Like that. Alright, next, what you want to do, flip it over so you can do that. Alright, so you see the ends, you're going to cut that, but don't cut it all the way. Do not cut it all the way or it will not work. Alright, so we do this, both sides. It should be like this. It should have those flap thingies. Alright, so next, you're going to want to do it like that, right by normal, and then you're going to put your scissors between the cut that you did, and then cut on here. I'm flipping my scissors over to no reason. If you guys cut the flip, oh, I didn't fill. So guys, it should be like this. What is my doing? It should be like this. It should have that. Alright, so next, guys. Next, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to alright guys, so this is how you do it. So you have to fold the card back up, like you fold it like that. And then what you're gonna want to do is cut right there. But don't cut it all, and then keep doing it over and over again. But instead of doing this, you're gonna want to flip it over. Flip it over, guys. Cut. Flip it over. Cut. I'll be right back. I'm gonna have to. This is gonna take a while, but you guys get the concept. Cut. Flip. Keep doing it. By the way, you're gonna want to have to make it a tiny bit thick. If you do it too thin, it will break. I'll try to attempt it. It might break, guys, but okay. Alright, I'm done. And then it should be like this. And then you want to fold it open. And then it should come out like that. But hold on. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to put it through myself. If you guys fail, just redo the video. Alright guys, first you can do it through your arm or head, but I'm gonna try to not fail. Come on. I'm gonna try to not fail. It's probably gonna rip. It's probably too thin. Yeah, it's probably gonna rip. I should have took my coat off. Hold on. Let me take my coat off. It's like it take like it will take you about a minute or something.
You sure it's recording?
Huh? Yeah. Alright. Through. Now I need to push it down. Push it, push it, push it down. It doesn't break. Please don't break. Please don't break. Do it. Come on. I feel like I'm in a hospital getting hurt. What happened? Hold on. Guys, I'm gonna get it through. And there you go, guys. I just fit myself through an index card, guys. This is what it should look like at the end. It should be a circle. start from here and go like that and down, or you can start like that, or you can do this. I never tried the feet or the arm, but it's probably possible. So guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that little bell. Hit that little bell. Alright, bye guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Are you sure?